Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the new pose on Dress to Impress by joining their summer event. So as you can see, it is called the Aquamarine Pose Pack. There's Sea Bloom. Super cool. If you go around, you'll see the effect of it as well. There's also Saltwater. To get this, you just need to be there for the cutscene. You'll need to be, I think, at least 5 minutes or 1 minute before it.
Anjir gua gak apa-apa deh.
And they're gonna have the trailer again at 11, 12, and then I think until 1 a.m. in those orders. So as you can see, it says event begins in 34 minutes. But I was here already at 10 p.m. So yeah, that is how you can get this pose pack. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!